Today, our journey continues. We will keep analyzing multi-time frames with price action and smart money techniques. Of course, we'll be using our best trading view indicator in this journey. So, you can see how the momentum strategy really works. Let's start now. By using our best indicator called ICT High Time Frames Indicator, I will analyze the top winners coins today. I'll be working on 8 top gainers of this day, today, so you can get a clear idea what is really going on. As you know, after a period of weak days, finally today started as a strong day. Good powers on totals and major coins, giving us a chance to trade top gainers and looking for long trades. Also, seeing a weak USDT dominance is extra helpful for our trades. First of all, check this coin out. With our momentum indicator, you can see multi-time frame deep dive into 4 different imbalances. On the left, you can see the 3-minute chart, the exact level of how the price action performs. A quick market structure shift, but no pullback unfortunately. In our previous video, I showed you how to divide orders into pieces, and with half risk, you can jump to trade right after the break. This is a great example for that video. This is another coin example called DGen. In early hours, the first rally started. As you can see clearly, price tapped 3 different imbalances. If you look at the price action on the left, you will notice how the inner structure changes, followed by a break-off structure. This looks like a clear trade. Later on the day, a similar pattern emerged. But this time you can see that after the market structure break, there's no clear pullback. One more time, our strategy works great, but if you notice, it is not flawless. Sometimes it is hard to catch these trades. Let's move to another example. A mixed bag of win and losses, a coin called ACX. In this case, you can see our multi-level imbalance tap area clearly. Price taps 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour time frame imbalances. On the left, in the lower time frame, it is really interesting price action. First, market structure break works great with a small imbalance area, giving you a quick trade chance. But the second structure breaks, and then imbalance fails quickly, and it is a loss. This proves our general theory. None of the strategies are perfect. Whatever you do, it is practically impossible to avoid a loss. Now another interesting example from today. IMX coin. Price taps are multi-level imbalance area as you can notice clearly. But the problem with this trade, structure shift in the lower time frame happens way too late. It takes more than 1 hour for the clear structure shift, and also the price actually never pulled back as you can see. It just flies away after the break of structure. In my opinion, this trade was hard to catch. Another example here, a nice coin called Zeta. In early hours, the first rally started right here. As you can see with multi-level imbalance taps, if you look at the lower time frames, you can see the small structure shift followed by a break-off structure. A tradable area in my opinion. Later on in the day, the same pattern happens one more time, but this time it is a little bit more challenging. The price shift happens really quickly and price pulls back to the imbalance area. This is a solid entry location, but this would be a scary trade to hold in my opinion. Here is another example from today. BOME coin. Price rallies, then slows down and pulls back to the multi-level imbalance zone, creating us a tradable area. Same price action keeps happening at lower time frames if you carefully look at a powerful structure shift without great pullback. This is why I had to mention sometimes you may need to jump to trade with market break quickly, like in this example, because in some cases price just never pull backs. Finally, A full loss, a losing trade from Mocha coin. A rallying coin slows down and pulls back into this multi-level imbalance zone. Check the low time frame price level. Very nice break with great small imbalance. This is a very solid trade. Nothing wrong here. Sometimes you will lose. It does not matter if you do all day long analysis, have like 100 different confirmation, you are just gonna lose. It happens to everybody. Another interesting example here, Dogecoin. I really wonder where do they really find these coin names. I'm really curious about it. In early hours, a small ignition happens right around this price level, but not giving us a clear market structure shift. This will be quite hard to trade again. Later on, price rallies further and pulls back for extra fuel to our multi-level imbalance zone. This is where the structure shifts happening without a pullback one more time. So I need to talk about something right now. We just observed 8 top gainer coins today. All coins from today, this Saturday morning. With our strategy, 8 possible trades in one single day. As you noticed, some setups are very clear and works well. Some entry zones are clear but no clear entries, no descent or no pullbacks at all. And sometimes it just fails or it stops you out immediately. Then you may ask this, why this indicator and this momentum strategy? Because it is extremely quick and easy to spot tradable setups. Minimum amount of analysis required. Can you show me any other strategy out there that you can spot and find entries this quickly? I just do not think so. Okay folks, this was a great trading video. Please take care for today, have a great weekend, and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care friends, manage your risks,